Hello, in this video I will be explaining how to use the BNS ATM Simulation Program. While explaining, I will stick to my test plan so we can check that is there any error or bugs. So let's start it. While you are watching this video, you will be seeing two windows. In here, program will be running, and here we are going to follow our test cases. For now, we will provide valid inputs. After that, we will follow our test case and we'll see what happens if our inputs are invalid. So let's run the codes. Password is 1234. So when we provide the right password, we are going to see the main menu. We have 6 transactions here. So let's start from the 1. If we press 1, we are going to go to balance section. When we press 1, we are going to see our balance in the balance section. $500 will be given to us. And after that, when we see our balance here, we are going to receive this question. Would we want to do another transaction? If we say no, program is going to close. If we say 1, it's going to display the main menu. Let's press 1 for yes, and after that we'll see our main menu again. We went to balance section. Now it's time to go to deposit section. So let's press 2. If we go to deposit section, we knew that there is a $500 in our account. So let's deposit $200 and we'll see $700 here. 500 plus 200. Same question is here. We are going to say yes to go to main menu again, and after that we want to go to withdraw section. So let's see what's going to happen there. And now it asks how much money we want to withdraw. So we know that we have a $700 in our account. We want to withdraw 300. So we'll see the $400 here. And same question is going to come to our screen again. We are going to say yes to go to our main menu. So we want to see our bank informations. That's why we are pressing the 4. If we go to our bank information section, we are going to see phone number, email address, account number, and BSB number. Maybe these informations are not really needed, but we just put this section here for sure. We have information sections as well. As it's known, this is the simulation program. Program is not going to deliver money, or user is not going to be possible to put money in the account. So everything is just a simulation. After that, we are going to see the same question here. Would you want to do another transaction or not? We are going to say yes, and we are going to go to main menu again. In here, we want to go to transfer section. That's why we are going to press 5 and we are going to go to transfer section. In here, first question is going to be how much money we want to transfer. We know that we have $400 in our account. So let's try $100 to send. And here, as we know that every bank has different method to get to know their customer. In our simulation program, if receiver account number first digit 1 and second digit 2, program will understand that this is BNS bank user. So it's not going to take commission. But if first digit not start with 1 or second digit is not 2, 1.5% commission will be applied for this transfer. So let's put 1 and 2 for first 2 digits. And the other numbers is going to be randomly. As it says, it's going to be 6 digits. And it asks the same question for the BSB number. BSB number can be just numbers. So as you see, $300. Transfer completed. Would you want to do another transaction? We will say yes, and we are going to go to transfer section again. Now we are going to try to put two different than 1 and 2 for first 2 digits. So we are going to say $50. We are going to say let's do 2 and 1 and 6 digits for BSB number as well. As you see, it's applied 1.5% commission. If we say no, program is going to finish. Let's try that. Program finished here. Thank you for choosing BNS Bank. Don't forget to take your card. And now we are going to try this exit section. We want to leave from the program and we'll say 6, and it's going to show the same thing here. We can start to try our test cases. For first test cases, we'll enter the wrong password with the numbers. So it's a enter wrong password with the numbers. So let's put this one, and this is what we expected. Error, please enter the pin again. Error, please enter the pin again, and this is the what is test outcomes. It's matching with the here. So if we test the second test cases, it says enter letter or special character for the password. We are going to try this one. It's going to say error, please enter just number, error, please just number, and program us the pin again if it is not the third entries. This is not the third entries, second entries, and program us again the pin code. So we are going to check the third one. Third one says enter 3 times wrong password. We already put the 2 times wrong password. We are going to provide the third one. In the third one, our expectation is wrong password. Please have a contact with the customer service. Thank you for choosing BNS Bank. Don't forget to take your card. Have a great day. And program finish. This is what we expected, and this is what we get it. Is the same as our test outcome. Fourth test cases. It says enter the right password and enter different number than the 1 and 6. Our expectation is choose your transaction between 1 and 6, and test outcome has to be this one as well. So let's provide the right password, and let's try the 9, not between 1 and 6. We are going to get this one, which is same as our expectation and the test outcomes. And for the fifth, put special character or later. We are going to put this one here. Our expectation is please enter just number, and the user is going to see the main menu again is the same. Error, this is what we expected and what we get it. Test outcome is matching as well. If we go to sixth test cases, is going to say they go to deposit section and enter the something as than the number. Deposit section is in the second one. We are going to put some special or the letter there, and our expectation is see this error here, and is matching our expectation, and test outcome is the same as here. So if you go to 7 test cases, it says go to deposit section and put the minus amount. We are already in deposit section. We are going to put the minus, and it says error, please enter just numbers, and this is what our expectation here and what we get it here, and also it's matching with our outcome. So if you go to 8, we should go to withdraw section here, and we should put the letter or the special character. So the withdraw section on the 3. So we are going to provide the right password. We are going to the third section, which is the withdraw, and he says put the special character or letter, and we put it. What is our expectation? Our expectation is error, please enter is just a number. See this error, and is the same as here, and it's just again the same question, and this is what our test outcome as well. So if you go to 9 test cases, it says go to withdraw section and put the minus amount. We are already there. We are going to put some minus amount there, and our expectation is see the error, please enter just numbers, and this is what our expectation is, also is matching with our test outcome. And the 10 test cases, it says in the withdraw section put more than what you have in your account. We know that we have $500 in our account, so something else more than 500, so I just tried $700. Our expectation is see the invalid amount, your balance is that much, and how much money we want to withdraw, and this is what we expect, and this is what we get it. So also is the same as in our test outcome. If you go to 11 test cases, it says go to transfer section and put the minus amount there. So we are going to run the program again. We are going to go to provide the right password. We are going to go to transfer section. We are going to put the minus amount there, and our expectation is see the error, please enter just number. This is what we got it here, so it's the same as our test outcome. If you go to 12 test cases, it says go to transfer section. We already there, and enter something else than the number. Let's say the special character or the letter. We put the letter there, and it says error, please enter just number, and it's going to ask the same question here. This is what we expected, and what is test outcome as well. If you go to 13 test cases, it says go to transfer section, put more than what you have in your account. We are already there. We know that we have a $500 in our account. We are going to try the $790. So it says invalid amount, your balance is 500. This is what we expected here, and what is test outcome here as well, which is matching there. So if you go to 14 test cases, it says go to transfer section, account number, put the special character or later. We are going to provide the valid amount for that, and for the account number we are going to put some later, and our expectation is see the account number must be only numbers. Please try again, and is the same as here, so test outcome is the same. So we can move to 15 test cases. In the 15 test cases it says the account number more than 6 digits. So let's try something else which is more than 6 digits. So we are expecting to see this error here, so which is what we got it here. It is the same as our test outcome. If you go to 16 test cases, it says enter the valid amount, enter account number less than 6 digits. We already provide that. We are just need to put to less than 6 digits for the account number. Our expectation is see the account number should have 6 digits. Please try again. Account number is the same error here, so which is what we expected and what we get it in the test outcome. 17 test cases, it says the put the valid amount for transfer section and the valid account number and enter something else than the number for the BSP number. So we are going to provide the valid input for the bank account number, and we are going to go to BSP number. So we are going to put some letters there, and our expectation is see the BSP number must be on the numbers, and this is what we got it. This is the same as our test outcomes. So we can move the 18 test cases. 18 test cases, it says enter BSP number more than 6 digits. So we are going to provide more than 6 digits. Our expectation is see the BSP number should have 6 digits. Please try again. Is the same as here, is matching to the test outcome what we expected. So if we move to 19 test cases, it says enter BSP number less than 6 digits. So we are going to enter less than 6 digits for BSP number, and our expectation is see the BSP number should have 6 digits. Please try again, is the same as here, and test outcome is matching as well, is the same as here. 20 test cases, it says enter the right password here. We are going to provide the right password, and we are going to search the one transaction, it doesn't matter which is, and finish the process successfully. For this one, enter different number than 1 or 2. We are going to try the 6, and we are going to see the same thing. This is what our expectation here, and what is the test outcome as well. So it is matching, is the same as what we expected and what we get it. So if you go to 21st test cases, it says enter something else than the 1 or 2. Like we are going to put some letters there, and our expectation is see the error, please enter just number, which is here, and the test outcome is the same as here as well. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.